We're all spending more time at home, which means more time to spend on household repairs and projects. Maybe your leaky kitchen tap needs fixing, the shower head in the bathroom needs replacing, or you want a new toilet installed. It's important to know that in Australia, most plumbing and drainage products must be WaterMark certified. WaterMark products and their packaging must be marked with the WaterMark trademark and a licence number. This ensures the products are fit for purpose and safe for you and your family. You can check the product licence number is valid by looking it up on the database found on the WaterMark website. Next time you're doing a plumbing project, remember to look for the WaterMark before you buy the products and ask your licensed plumber to install them. This will ensure your project complies with the plumbing code and won't risk the health of you, your family or your neighbours. Visit watermark.abcb.gov.au/look to find out more.